Cool. So, hi guys. This is Chris from Dorahacks. I'm very glad to host you guys tonight. So today is another Solana Riptide Hackathon project demo session. It's great. It's an honor for me to host you guys today. And actually, since last year, Dorahacks has started to partner with Solana, and we co-host Solana Season and the Ignition Hackathon in the last year, and we have seen many projects achieve the success and emerged from this two hackathon, including some famous projects like Stefan, like Sol and One Soul. They will merge from those two hackathons, and we really looking forward to see there are more projects could get a huge growth through this Solana Riptide Hackathon. And today we are very happy to have 5 projects with us, and actually 4 projects with us. They are Energy 8, DrameBase, Metabot, 2150, and Sniolart. And without further ado, let's welcome the first project to start from DrameBase. I think you can start first, if that's okay with you.
Hi, Chris.
Hi.
Oh, yeah, can you hear me?
Yep.
All right, good. I'll be sharing my screen in a minute.
Cool.
All right, great. Can you share my screen? Chris, can you see my screen? All right, great. So hi everyone. My name is Fulu, and I'll be representing Project DreamBase. Okay, so yeah, let me go straight into everything. So DreamBase practically is Africa's first decentralized media streaming platform by trying to use the blockchain technology to distribute media content directly from creators to the consumer. So basically, with the rave about blockchain, everybody is more focused on decentralized finance, GameFi, and they keep forgetting the fact that the media industry is actually a very big industry that ought to be explored using blockchain technology too. So the idea is just to use blockchain technology to solve problems that we're having in the media and entertainment industries. So yeah, this is our website, dreambase.com, that we're still working on. And yes, what's the problem statement here? It's been noticed that the Global Music Report shows that total revenue generated for 2020 is about 21.6 billion US dollars, and streaming of music and video content is accounting for about 62.1% of this particular revenue. You can see that this is a very big industry that needs to be happy with whatever latest technology that we have on that. So yeah, that's why DreamBase is here. What's the concept of DreamBase? We're trying to use IPFS storage to distribute this media content in such ways that it is easier for users to be able to download content, to be able to stream videos because it is on the blockchain. And then most importantly, we are solving some problems that traditional streaming platform like YouTube, Spotify, the Web2 applications is basically, we're trying to solve some of the problems that they have. So what are some of the problems that this traditional streaming platform has? Artists don't get paid their full royalties. They don't even know how much their content is generating per se because these transactions are not transparent. They have issues of copyright infringement, ad infested content, and of course, slower content sharing because they're using the normal HTTP protocol to share their content. So, what are the things that DreamBase aims to bring to the market? They're trying to improve organization calculation and financial summary. Of course, we're going to be eliminating fraud because transactions are transparent. Faster content delivery and speedy transfer because we're using IPFS. Everybody is practically storage based. We're reducing promotion costs. We are streamlining inventory management, increasing transparency, and of course, we are automating royalty payments. Smart contracts are written as such that You don't need to wait for it probably the end of the month before you get your payments. As transactions are, payments are made immediately. All right. So yeah, as it joining DrameBase, you can either join as an artist or you can join as a fan. When you join as an artist, you can upload music, you can mint your contents as NFTs. You can decide, oh, I'm releasing just 200 pieces of my music or 200 pieces of my videos and mint it as NFTs for your fans to buy off. You can have exclusive EP releases. You can even get funding and donations. One of the most important thing about our platform, you can get funding and donations from your fans to be able to give them content. Of course, you can stream and host virtual events online. When you join as a fan, you have access to video streaming, to music streaming, access to the to exclusive EPs, any rewards for listening, and of course, you can also buy tickets for shows. You can also then buy NFTs online because in the long run, we will be having our own NFT marketplace. Our unique features, the fact that you can crowdfund as an artist for your project, and of course, listeners get to earn token incentives as a listen. If you create a very cool playlist and people come and they listen and be like, oh wow, they get charged a little bit of token for joining or using your playlist, and then as the creator of the playlist, you can earn. So practically, you are earning for just listening to music. You can make joint subscription. Of course, there will be community chats and forum, and this, like we're trying to do, is going to be totally decentralized. So I believe I've been able to pass across the basic concept of what DrameBase is all about. I'll be moving on to our demo to show you how DreamBase application is going to be working. Okay, I think before I go ahead to that, I will be showing you what our marketing strategy. Of course, we intend to build a community, partner with record labels. In this industry, practically you get your customers by bringing on the artists. So having an artist on board, they come on with their customers already to use our application. And to help the upcoming artists too, we intend to organize talent raves and campus raves to bring in upcoming artists to help them, come on board our projects. And of course, last thing before I move on to our demo, what's our technology stack? We're going to be using Node.js for our APIs. Of course, the file storage is going to be IPFS, transactional storage, PostgreSQL. Our web player is going to be written in JavaScript, our Android in Kotlin, and then our iOS in Swift. So that is that about our technology stack. I will be moving on to give us a sample demo of what the application interface is going to look like. So yeah, I can leave in a second. While that is been loading, I can tell you how the royalties are going to be calculated for the artist. The IPFS addresses a file by what it needs, and then the blockchain smart contract records hashes of the statistics of the played songs. That's how we're going to be calculating how much royalty goes to each artist. Okay, so yeah, we have our user interface here. This is what the user interface looks like when you open your application. Activating your artist. So yeah, like I said earlier, you can either sign up as a listener or sign up as an artist. So when you sign up as a listener, you log in with your details, with your password, date of birth, so that we can monitor the kind of contents that come across your timeline. So it's not rated if you're not old enough to view rated content. Basically, the country, so you can select contents that are specific or bring contents that are more generic to your area. Of course, we're trying to make this more decentralized as possible. So some of this that our product team is still reviewing to make this possible. When you sign up, your account is created. Continue, log in into your account. You select upload. You upload an avatar for yourself. Select the kind of music you'd love to listen to. Select your favorite artist, the kind of content you want coming across your timeline. And of course, you create your wallet where your subscriptions will be made from. Use your username and your password to create your wallet. Your wallet balance shows here, you credit it. It brings you to your user interface. And you can stream your videos from there. You can stream your music. Of course, you'll be having a literature point too for people that like to read. And then the NFT marketplace. You have your wallet where you can check your balance. And of course, a community interaction forum. This is what it's going to look like. And then your library, your own playlist, your favorite music, artists that you put on your own playlist. You can check your subscriptions from there too. You can edit your profile and all of that. So the profile is, so this is what onboarding as a listener it's going to seem like. Why, if you want to onboard as an artist to come back, you sign up as an artist. Your account is created, continue, login, practically almost the same process as onboarding as a listener. Just some information will be different. As an artist, you have to add your social media and you select the kind of music you will be using, select the age rating of your content, you upload an avatar, of course. You create your wallet where you'll be receiving your royalties. Then you can log in. After you've created your wallet, you can go to your room. Then you see the way your music is, whatever album you've uploaded, whatever singles you uploaded. Is more like an artist creator tool where you can use to add new contents to it. You can also monitor your wallet to know how much your earnings are, to know how much you have, and be a part of your community to interact with the community. And of course, you can also monitor your finances. You know what album is bringing in this particular amount, what album is bringing in whatever amount for you. You can monitor your finances just straight from your dashboard here. So yeah, that is how the DrameBase project is going to be working. So thank you very much. If there's any question, I will be answering any question at this point.
Yeah. Thank you very much for the presentation. I think it's absolutely a very interesting topic, especially based on the current, market. We don't we can see the decentralized streaming and decentralized music or decentralized media is growing, but there are still not too much companies and projects are building something in this sectors compared with others like NFT or PFP stuff. Yeah, so I do believe, but although there's not a very big market yet, but I do believe that in the future it's gonna be like take over the current structure about like the decentralized media and streaming uh, uh, industries. Yeah, I think it's gonna have a lot of use case to release the power of the creator and also on the user sides. So I definitely think you guys are trying to build something that are really interesting and unique. Yeah, thank you very much for the presentation. Yeah, and we're gonna move to the next project, which is the Meta Bot 2150. And Marvin, feel free to start.
Yes. Can you see the screen?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Hey guys, this is Marvin. I'm from MetaBot 2150, and we are so excited to introduce us here. And let's give a brief introduction about what we're doing here. So MetaBot 2150 is a GameFi and LandFi project that integrates mining, simulation, PvE, PvP, and sociality in pay-to-earn model. And the story takes place in 2150 an era of automation where metabots, a robot with high performance, have replaced most jobs. So people have embarked a journey with their metabot to explore its secrets. Players have a couple ways to earn in the game. They can either act as quantum force owner, sellers, or energy suppliers, labor lessors. Players can use quantum force to generate in-game currency. We call the Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin can be used to buy NFTs, form new metabots, upgrade and maintain the HP of the metabots. So this story revolves around the metabots, the high-performance robots, and Bitcoin, which was generated from a hot fork when developing the program of Metabot. With high-quality graphics and a smooth gaming experience, players can experience the fun of the earning profits, simulation, fighting, and socializing in the game. So how are we going to play it? This game will be deployed on Solana at this moment. So basically, you can be a landowner owner. You need to buy land and build some facilities, or you can just lease land for rent. Once you have the land, you can build the facilities like Quantum Force Factory to generate Bitcoin for sale. So to generate Bitcoin, you still need operators and energy like water and electricity to power the generation. So there are many choices here. You can not just be a quantum force owners, you can also be a energy suppliers, quantum force sellers to earn the rewards. So if you don't have land, it's totally fine. You can just be a labor lessor or land renter. So there's no difference from other players who own the land plots, except that you need to pay the rent. There are many NFTs we can trade in the game, and these 4 categories are the main NFTs in the game. We have different land plots in different areas. So basically, there are a couple types of land: the plain, lake, mountain. They have different buffs in their own land. The land is not borderless, so there's a limit on the number of buildings that can be placed on each plate of the land. So as you can see that there are different types of buildings here. They can be traded in secondary market. And these buildings have 3 main categories. The first, they are the building where the energy like water, electricity are being generated. And secondly, they have the buildings where the quantum force parts are being created. And the third, they are the place where we can upgrade and charge for the metabot. So except the metabot, the quantum force is the second most important NFT in the game. So basically, there are 2 ways you can get the quantum force in the game. One is you can buy in the market. The second is you can assemble with the parts by yourself. So if you choose to assemble, you need operator as energies. So remember, there's a depreciation on the quantum force. The price of the depreciated quantum force in the market will be lower than that of the brand new one. So let's talk about the metabot, the most important NFT in the game. The metabot has 5 professions, such as operators, energy workers, production workers, explorers, and fighters. So it's like what we do in car maintenance. The metabot need regular maintenance to keep their functionalities healthy. So players can need to pay a small amount of Bitcoin for metabot maintenance. Also, the metabot needs to be charged in the lab. So for example, if the battery runs out, the metabot will run to the lab and will no longer work for you. As known before, the metabot can be used to explore the new areas. So it is very important for you to send the powerful metabots to discover the new areas, because sometimes they will face some monsters or evil metabots. If you want to create your own metabot, you need to get the parts from undiscovered area, or you can get the parts by disassembling existing metabot. Also, the fusion is the most fancy way you can do for getting the metabot with more professions. But remember, there's always a chance you can fail. So let's talk about the PvE part here. So there are three main types of a wilderness area. For common area, where any metabot can explore. For a special area, where only those metabot with professional exploring skill can enter. For specific area, only for those specific metabot can enter. So there will be different rewards you can get from the areas after you defeating the monster or evil metabots. So if the player encounters other players to challenge while going out to explore, the losing player will drop some of the item in the backpack. Except the PvP in the wilderness area, we will host a competition at the beginning of every quarter. So after player pay the entrance fee, there will be some battles between players and players. After the battle is over, the winner takes all the prize. At the end of every quarter, we will reward the player in the top level of ranking. When the new season starts, the ranking of all players will drop by 1 level. So even if you are not good at PvP, it's totally fine. You can still have a chance to get random rewards. So let's move on to the energy and the materials. So there are two main energies in the game, the electricity and water. Like I said before, you can either build your own factory to produce by yourself, or you can buy in the energy market. Also, you can get the materials from exploring. Okay, let's talk about the marketplace. There are many types of marketplace in the game, especially for the cryptocurrency exchange. You can swap your in-game currency Bitcoin to the governance token. The player can trade almost everything in the game. Like I mentioned, the Bitcoin many times before, the Bitcoin is the token with the power mechanism. Basically, the Bitcoin is the in-game currency that player can use to trade. It has unlimited supply. Like we said before, we can get the Bitcoin by producing by yourself. And this is our governance token, the Metabot token. So the total supply is 1 billion. As we can see from the pie chart, it shows the tokenomics. And recently, we are happy to announce that we have just finished our fundraising for pre-seed round. And since the Cypool protocol is our strong supporter, so we decide to share the 1% our governance token to the Cypool token holders. There's many ways you can earn the Metabot token. The Metabot token has many utilities in the game. So we're gonna use part of the platform revenue to buy back the governance token in the market and burn it. So as a player, there are so many options to earn the rewards you can see in the slides, and you can have some fun. And in our future plan, the unions will be introduced. The players are able to fight together as same union for resources. Also, some new professions will be introduced to the metabots. The world task will be available in the future for the unions. Okay, this is our roadmap. During Q1, we have already talked to some launchpads and marketplace so that our first round of NFT selling planning to be available in middle of April. And we are planning to update our second version of website, which includes marketplace and map. And in Q2, we will kick off our governance token IDO, and also in-game token generation mechanism, fighting mechanism, PvP and PvE system will be determined. So if everything goes well, the beta testing will be launched in Q3, and the game will be launched in Q4. This is our team. We have Brad, Alexis here, and they both have been working in game industry for over 12 years. And this is our other team members. Okay. Thank you for watching. And this is our website. If you have any question or you want to know more information about us, you can go to metabot2150.com, and we have light paper right here. And at the bottom, you can feel free to join our Twitter or other communities, Discord, Telegram. And this is our Twitter. As you can see, we have announced that we have finished our pre-seed round. If you are interested, you can contact us. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Got it. Yeah. Thank you very much, Marvin. So just the questions. Do you guys have opened the beta test or the version that users could try to play? Not yet, or
Not yet.
okay, cool. Got it. Yeah, because it looks really interesting to me, and I do really want to try. I do really want to see like how does it looks like. I do like. So does 2150 means the year?
Yep.
Got it. Cool. Yeah. So another question from me is, so from our observations, including top GameFi projects like Axie Infinity, they are facing a serious problem, which is the losing of the users. So basically, they don't. So currently, GameFi projects cannot obtain a very sustainable user amounts after they launch the game for a while. Let's say 3 months or longer, 6 months, or even shorter, like two months. So basically, there are many users came at the very beginning, but after they use they playing the game for a while, and they get some profits, they're gonna leave and jump to other projects that could make more money. So do you guys have any the strategy to like maintain and hold more users and put them in your game?
Yeah. Actually, like I said in the slides, we have a future plan. The feature of the unions will be introduced. So there will be a new kind of token. It's like a Bitcoin. So it's like we generate the new token for the new features. So it's not like one single in-game currency in the game. So it helps to solve the problem like you mentioned. Like for the Axie Infinity. Also, we will have some event like we are giving away some special version of NFT, but we have to buy back some in-game currency to make sure that the currency in game is still have some value here. Yeah.
Got it. Cool. Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you very much for the presentation. Appreciate your time. And we're gonna move to the next project, which is the Sniolart. Yeah, hope I pronounce it right. But anyways, you can start when you are ready.
Yes. Wait, I am sharing screen. First of all, I will give you information and introduction about Sniolart. Sniolart is a permissionless and community governed NFT launchpad and payment gateway app for Solana. We have created a launchpad for everyone who has the perfect project idea, but is just missing the devs to get it off the ground. This will be very helpful for new small projects, and it costs less than other platforms, and the NFT listing process in the Sneola platform is simple and transparent, it making it the best and convenient launchpad. Uh, we have created Sneola project with a lot of time, hard work, and research, and our mission is to drive the of the Solana ecosystem by providing a secure and permissionless NFT launchpad platform. Uh, Solana based pla- Solana based platforms provides a faster minting process and reduce gas prices, and we have created a payment gateway app, and payment gateway app that help you to accept Sol or USDC, and you can pay Sol or USDC to shop, online shop, and online payment as on e-commerce sites in which you can pay for shopping payment for from Solana. For this, you just have to go to payment page, and Sneola Pay will automatically detect the price as well. That too without extra transaction fees, and user can buy and sell and store their digital assets in Sneola Pay. Just for example, if you are buying something on Amazon and you like to pay through Sol or USDC, so you can use Neola Pay, and it is simple and fast. Only need to paste link in Sneola dApp or in application, and it will detect price and show you payment page. And after you pay, you will receive a pay gift card, and you can pay now for it. And if you withdraw your soul in bank, it is long time for take long time. uh, and we have a unique NFT collection generated on the Solana blockchain, and who has a Sneola NFT, they can participate in next our project and access whitelist. Uh, we wi- we went bring a new review lesson in the crypto industry through our project, and make it convenient and easy for the public, as new things are being seen every day in the crypto industry. It become imperative that we work shoulder to shoulder with the industry, and we are working on improving our project, keeping in view the changes uh, of crypto industry on a daily basis. We have some revenue model from our launchpad and Sneola Pay. Uh, we can earn by launching project on our platform, and we take some Solana fees and small fees for launching project. It is permissionless, and in app advertising purchase fees on you can buy pay gift card for it. Commission on start setup QR advertising fees, and it is easy to use. And I want to tell you that all the things I have told are safe. This process has been made secure by our team, After a lot of research, it does not pose any threat or to your privacy in any way. If Sneola is the simple and fast and secure way of payment of future and present. You can pay through Solana Pay, fast and safe transaction, and we are working on Sneola Pay and setuping all things. But our launchpad is now live on mainnet, and Sneola is we are working on Sneola, so we cannot provide a demo for it. And about our launchpad, I giving you to some demo. This is our launchpad website, and there are beautiful designing, and you can see there are option live, upcoming, past, and whitelist about who has whitelist check their addresses, and there are details for upcoming, and there are prices about all details about project like social media, total items, time, date, and all thing, and pre-sale and public sale. You can mint easily from here, and timer for it, about description, about project description, and there are some, you can see some arts as example. uh, Thank you. uh, we have it.
Yeah, cool. Got it. Thank you very much for the presentation. Looks really interesting. Because I don't see too much NFT Launchpad yet on Solana ecosystems. So this is it's a special cutting point for you to building in the Solana ecosystems. So looking forward to see how you guys building in the future. And yeah, thank you very much for your time and presentation. And we're gonna move to the last project, which is the Energy 8. Are you
Hello.
Yeah, hope it works right now.
Yeah, I hope you hear me well.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, finally. Sorry, guys, have some technical difficulties. I hope now everything is good. So let's move on. I will share my screen with you. Can you see it? Yes, no?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So my name is Julia, and I am Energy 8 main speaker. And today I would like to talk about our project, Energy 8, what we are about. Energy 8 is a ready-made technological solution. Easily, it's a bridge between games and cryptocurrencies, crypto world. Our project pushes an ambitious goal. It unites the fascinating world of games and the progressive technologies of the blockchain industry. So the main task of it is to implement a deposit and withdrawal of cryptocurrencies and NFT systems to any already existing games. So it does all the cryptocurrency payments and calculations into any game, as I said. As we know, GameFi sector shown up in 2013, but last year, in 2021, it reached an unpredictable scale. So of course, we wanted to jump on this train, but what better do than to implement the technology into already existing, like super popular game everybody knows and playing. So new games, better system, NFTs, amazing artists, GameFi, Metaverse, that all play a big role for now and for the future. So what we can do with other projects? You can charge your balance, P2P trading, inside the gameplay and withdrawing your earnings into your own crypto wallet, just like very fast in couple seconds. So this all is available today. Our technology supports deposit and withdrawal cryptocurrency from personal computer, Android, and iOS games. So basically, you can turn any game into play to earn. For now, we already our bridge, Energy Bridge, working for games like Minecraft. So you can check our beta online testing. Yeah, you can come play. It's going pretty well for now. One of our servers have like great online, already like 150 players at the moment playing, and it can grow really high till like 10K or even 30K at the same time playing. So it's very quick, protective, easy, and play to earn. Another game we implement in our technology is GTA 5. Now it's in closed testing, but soon it also will be open testing, so stay tuned if you love GTA 5. Of course, we are doing our own mobile game. This mobile game is called Energy Hamsters, and it will be ready for Google Play and Apple Store. How Energy 8 system project works. It's built on game nodes. So the distribution principle is the proof of stake type. And it gives like a lot of advantages, and I will name three of these advantages. First of all is, of course, decentralization. So the system operation depends on agents, and it means that it doesn't have an owner. So if the agent stops working, the system will continue its work without any problems. Second, and very important, is security. And the last one is also very important, also for gaming, is high transaction speed. Let's talk about the game node structure. Just briefly, I will tell you how it works. First of all, user sends a withdrawal request to the game. If the balance is correct, the game will freeze the tokens on the game wallet. If it's not, the transaction will be canceled. So after, if everything is right, it selects a game node. The game node works with the blockchain and requests check. If everything is successful, it will freeze tokens on the game node after send it to the gamer's crypto wallet, and the game node receives a reward. So need to be a lot of conditions, and everything should be correct. Otherwise, it will not work. So what is the Energy 8 token utility? In games that support E8 token, it will be used in rewards, in quests, events, and global contests. A staking system based on in-game items has also been implemented. For example, temporary miners in Minecraft or businesses in GTA 5. Also, we'll have NFTs. NFTs items in the games. So you can like improve your sword in Minecraft, or armor strength, or tune cars in GTA 5. About our team. So we all been in cryptocurrencies field since 2017. So everybody was doing different work. Somebody was engaged in mining. Somebody was already developing on the blockchain. Someone was trading, and we all love video games. So we came up with the perfect idea. Why not to unite cryptocurrency and video games? So our technology was in development about like 2 years, and our token was launched in last year in May 2021. So here you can see our main 10 team members, but also we have 6 supports. And here you can see who are we backed by. Our main backer is Polygon, Dora Factory, Starcos, GTS Ventures, Nest Arcade, and Vanley. but we always developing, and our achievements are already pretty great. We took part in several hackathons. We won Polygon Grand Hackathon. The main prize, the first place, we took place in Binance Smart Chain Eastern and Western Europe Hackathon, and we were in top projects. We won Cell Mobile DeFi Hackathon. Recently, we took part in Serum and Wormhole Hackathon, also won community there. Top of Oasis Elf Metaverse Hackathon. And for now, we are also participating in Binance MVB4 program and Avalanche Hackathon. So yeah, we are really focused on growing. And let me show you our website, and I will give the mic to my teammate, Maxim.
Oh, hello everyone. I show.
Yeah. So,
let's start our presentation.
Yeah. Let me stop, and you can speak.
My screen show. Yeah.
Yeah, we can see.
Okay, guys. Let's start our presentation. This web is our web application. First link is a bridge. Bridge this is a technology where here you can make deposit and withdraw from the game wallet to cryptocurrency wallet. Let's show my balance in Minecraft game. It's 1,000 game dollars. Yeah. Let's go deposit to Minecraft. First, typing my nickname in the game. Next, E8 tokens, numbers, 1,000 game dollars. Click deposit. Approving our transaction. Waiting when transaction successful. Okay. Check our balance in the Minecraft. It's equal about 2,000 game dollars. Now we can withdraw from Minecraft to cryptocurrency wallet. I'll need the typing, setup, typing number of game tokens. Click generate code. This is for security. Take pin code from the game. Sign in our transaction, waiting, and transaction successful. Check out balance in the Minecraft. Here about 1,000 game dollars. It's up. And Julia, continue, please.
Yeah, also For now, it's already available farming and staking on our website with good APR. For example, staking is around 5% per month. So in a year, it will be around 60%. And also you can do farming, EA token and USDC. So this all is available, and we have manual burns. So I think it's all C+. I think that's enough for the presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Yeah, thank you very much, Julia and Maximum. So Energy Aid has been our old friend for since last year, so I'm pretty familiar with what you guys are trying to do right now. And I mean, it's really cheerful for us to see that how you guys grow from last year to right now, and we are very happy to see like what you guys have achieved so far, and we are really looking forward to see in the future you guys could maybe integrate with more brilliant projects in the future, and happy to see like you guys could grow to scale to a larger size. Yeah.
Thank you so much, and we are really grateful to work with you. And yeah, we're always moving forward and always looking for new opportunities, partnerships, and we never stop working. So yeah, thank you so much.
Yep. I guess that's it for today. I want to appreciate 4 amazing projects today with us. Really appreciate your guys' presentation and the time to be here with us and sharing what you guys are trying to build right now and trying to build in the future. And I hope that you guys could all doing great and kickstart the next best product in the industries. Good luck and happy building in the future. Yeah, and I'm gonna end it up here, and hope you guys have a great one. See you guys soon.
Thank you so much. Thanks for everybody for watching.